Hi guys, international nail artist and educator here, and we do an unboxing video today because I got some amazing decorations from the salon since the spring is coming, and I will show you what we've got in here. So the parcel arrived from SHEIN and they send us lots of different things. This box is actually huge, and let's try maybe this one first. I'm just gonna make some mess. And that's probably the bowls, because we like to give a sweeties to the clients, like when we're waiting for the appointment, and they can always enjoy a wee sweetie, because of course I love chocolates myself and a sweetie as well, and Patrick always takes care to make sure there's lots of sweeties. And wow, this is actually amazing. Look at this pretty bowl. It's in the shape of the flower. Wow, I love it so much. Like, it's gonna be perfect on the sweet table, which we've got in here. And you can see it other side as well, like the shape of the flowers. So usually the bowl stands in here, and you can see it fits in absolutely amazing and perfect with the wee table I've got, like very delicate, and it doesn't stand out. So I'm in love with that. On top of it, I have got two other sizes. So I'm just going to quickly show you that. So that should be a size smaller. And again, make a mess. I'll have to clean my tiles later on after that. And I love it because we wanted to keep it like very clinical. There is actually a video, if you didn't see it guys, there is a video of like how we renovated the salon, how we have painted and sanded the walls, and lots of different things, because it was really a really bad stage, to be honest. But I'm so proud because it took us 2.5 months to make it really nice and pretty. And then I've got the second bowl. I will give the link in the description of the video as well, so you can see it is exactly the same, just exactly the same, and a little bit smaller. There we are. And then the third one, gosh, this is so messy. Another thing which I can't believe quite often is like how they pack it, that they just throw the stuff in, and it's usually pretty fine, like no damage. So I was quite worried about those three pretty bowls. And the third one, nice and small, very cute one. So I got all three of them. And then what else we've got in here? Of course, I love the flowers, and I already had that flower vase, and I love this so much because I can choose any type of flowers, and because of the shape of it, the flowers really nicely stands out. So I got that one. Again, you can see it; it goes just perfectly with the table and the chairs. And then a wee pumpkin shape. So we've got the second one. It can actually go together quite nicely too. They are plastic vases, but I really like it. I think this one is my favorite one. That's why I got two of them already, because I use it all the time. I actually even quite often put the flowers inside there and use it as a backdrop for my nails, like, because it looks so pretty. And then this one, so with this one the color is a bit of white, and this is for me like a big no. Now, because this is springtime, I also got some bunch of the daffodil flowers, and we are going to use them actually for a backdrop for Patrick. Oh, they're cute. We've got the full how you say it? Full, oh, I don't know this word. In the garden, we've got like a one place where I've got full of daffodils, and it looks so pretty. They're actually quite similar, like a very small heads, and quite a few coming out from the one side. So since this is my favorite vase, I'm gonna place them in here. And I got a few more, because usually when you get like a one, it is not enough. So I've got the second one, all this mess behind me. Here we are. And then the next one. And the cherry tree, which you can see it actually in here, I did another video, guys, of this cherry tree, like, because we did handmade it with fabric, and we are actually, so that was from SHEIN too, and I was doing another unboxing video. Let me know also, guys, what you think of those unboxing videos for the salon decorations. And believe it or not, we have actually started preparing another tree. And this time the tree is gonna be done with wisteria flowers. This is another pack of daffodils, and you can see how nice and beautiful and full it looks. So I think it's 5 in total. Come on, this way. Here we are. So I would need to place them nicely and give them a time to kind of open up a little bit more, where you can see it. It's really nice and pretty, perfect for springtime. Then I also got some wee tulips, and they've got a real feel touch to them. Only a one pack in here, but we also got quite a few more in the studio room, and I'm going to show you today's studio room. Because I want to also show you the tree which we are gonna create. And with the tree, yeah, it's missing, like, I like it on even numbers, so we've got 3, 5 or 7. I think for this vase 7 would be perfect, but they are really nice, like a real feel. You can touch it, Patrick, too. Here we are. That's feel actually awesome, isn't it? Oh, yes. Yeah, really nice to touch. And of course we were on holiday. And this bracelet was supposed to arrive before. Guys, what a story we had at the pyramids. That was so much fun and scary at the same time. I was doing a photo shoot. Look how nice and pretty it is. Like, of course, I love the black and gold combination, and I had a black beautiful dress. Oh, wow, imagine I had that one on. It's so pretty. I love that. It goes with my nails. So my nails are quite old because they was on holiday, but like, that's what looks so nice and pretty, as well as a backdrop. Look at this, guys, like, really, here we are, we've got perfect picture. Excuse me, cuticles, like, they are really wrecked, and the nails itself, because we was camel riding, we was seeing so many different things. Let me know, guys, again, if you want to, sometimes, like on Sunday, want to see this kind of tutorials, because we do post it mainly on the Instagram, like some other content as well, because we can put some pictures of the trip to this video. I think, like, yeah, guys, go to Instagram and check them out. Like, if you're interested in other stuff we do, because we are crazy, like, people, you know. We, Patrick and Olivia, have so much fun together, like doing photo shoots, decorations. We love fashion, we love nails, anything DIY. Like, Patrick is doing so many pretty beds, I will show you later. I need to show you the studio because he's so amazing at it. So I really badly want to show you that. Now here I have no clue what is there. Can't even remember. So let me see what we got in here. Don't cut myself. Okay, that's some storage boxes. There is never enough storage, of course, like, you know, and I like to have my, even like bits and pieces of the glitters, brushes and everything stored nicely. So you've got like a wee containers, and then you've got some bigger ones on the bottom. I'm just going to quickly show, okay, they come in different sizes, so we've got like a very tiny size. Here we are. And then we've got medium size, and then a large size. like even storing your glitters. I've got like a wee drawer in my desk, and we all have favorite glitters. Like so, what I usually do is like the favorite ones. I keep it in the desk because that's the ones I'm using the most, and then the ones which are having a bigger color range, like I keep it in a separated drawers. They are actually just on the side and here. So let me place that there. And then we have a dust brush because I am so crazy, like we want to keep it nice and clinical. So I like to redust the things as well with the dust brush. And then we've got some bean. Actually, the bracelet is amazing. Like I need to place it here because I love it so much. And gosh, this is so much stuff here. And then here I've got some bean. And it's quite often, come on. This one is good because it has a wee sensor, so you don't have to crack it. So all very useful. Thank you, Patrick. He's Jim. He always takes care of me. Honestly, I am so lucky. So yeah, it has a wee sensor, which is awesome. Probably needs some batteries, which are not included. That's correct. I'm not gonna put it on. But it's quite nice and smart looking one. And yes, very easy to put the bags inside. And then it has a wee sensor, so this part would open. I don't want to open it out of, okay, and this part will open like automatically. So quite a nice, pretty looking bin, like if the bin can look pretty. So that's quite a lot of stuff, but yeah, I'm just gonna take you to the studio, because of course some of this stuff is going to the studio. I knew it, I would do so much mess. So this is where we record, and we did amazing photo shoot. Patrick actually did amazing photo shoot already in here. So I will probably just sort out some daffodils, like and mix them well, and then the tulips could actually go in here because we've got more. You can see them here. So I got also different colors, and I feel like the more different colors you've got, the prettier it looks. And then the daffodils could go actually in here on a sponge or something, just so it looks prettier. And we've got nice. Oh, that's a bed. That's the bed. This is a bed which Patrick handmade it. Like, so he cut out the shapes, and then he made it out from the wood. And then we've got some with pillows here. I actually fancy a photo shoot myself with Olivia. In here, because I think it will be so pretty cool. Like for Mother's Day, mother and daughter, we photo shoot on this cute background. And here we do have our another project, because we love those DIY. And I think what is really arty, we just love it. That's a real tree, which we have put into the gypsum or something, which is drying at the moment. And then we are gonna decorate it with wisteria flowers. And believe guys or not, we were so crazy that we had some single leaf wisteria flowers, and we was putting like, no, that will be a single one, I think. Is it? No, that's the ones which are full. So I'm just gonna show you, because what we did is they came in as a single flower, and crazy ass spent 2 days with Patrick. And we was putting like quite a few flowers on the one branch, and they look so much prettier because a single one, like a single branch now, looks like this, you know. So it's really nice and full, because we also have glued. No, on this one we didn't. We also have used the hot gun glue, actually on this one. Yes, hot gun glue to attach like more of them, so they are more full. So much fun to do it, like we love all those kind of DIY. But anyway, I hope guys you have really enjoyed this. Yeah, so this will go here, like imagine. I'll have to do like a separate ones. But I hope you have guys really enjoyed this unboxing video. So let me know in the comments below as well if you're happy to like see those kind of content as well. And we both seeing you in the next video and sending you huge and glittery hugs. Bye!